Hello class 7, welcome back to another session of computer class. This is your Avjit sir and today I'll be presenting you the topic Spreadsheet and Introduction Part 2. In this session, we will focus on different types of steps to work on MS Excel. Now to create a new blank workbook, number one step is select the File tab. And after selecting the File tab, select the option New and then click on Blank Workbook. So after you have selected the File tab, then you have to select the New option and then you have to click on the Blank Workbook. Steps to create a new worksheet. Open your workbook in Excel. So this is the workbook where we will be working. You can see different cells are present where you have to enter the data. Click on any of these sheet tab. Now where is the sheet tab? Now this is the place where you will get the sheet tab, sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. If you want, you can also increase to sheet 4, sheet 5. So we have to click on this sheet tab, sheet 1, and then we can enter the data inside the cell. So this is the sheet tab. Steps to save a worksheet. Once we have entered all the datas in the Excel spreadsheet on the workbook, next step we have to save it. So how to save it? Click on the File tab and select Save As option. Select a folder where you would like to save the sheet and then enter the file name. And finally, click on Save button and your sheet will be saved with entered name in the selected folder. Now first of all, we have to click on the File tab and then select Save As option. Now once we have clicked on the Save As option, then a Save As dialog box will be displayed on your screen. The first thing is that where you are going to save your file, in C drive or D drive, on the document, where you want to save your file, you have to select from here. So you can see the drop down menu is there. You can click on the drop down menu and can select where you want to save your file. Once you have located where you are going to save your file, then you have to enter the file name in this text box. So enter the file name and then finally you click on the Save button to save your file. Close or exiting a workbook. So after we have finished working on the workbook, we need to come out from the workbook. So what is the steps to come out or close the workbook? So click on the File tab in the main menu. You can see with the arrow mark, you have to click on that File tab and then click on Close. So you'll get an option, Close option in the bottom. So either you click on the Close option, your file will be closed, or you can use shortcut key Alt plus F4 to exit from the workbook. And there's the third method. You can click on the cross button that is located at the right top side of the title bar. You can click on that cross button to close the worksheet or to come out from the worksheet. So these are the different ways to come out from the worksheet or exit workbook or close the workbook. Steps to open an existing workbook. Now once you have saved your file, the file is already there in your particular location. Now if you want to work for future, then you have to open that existing workbook. So what are the steps to open the existing workbook? First, click on the open option and then select computer and then click on browse. Once you click on the browse, now you have to select in what particular folder you have saved your file. So you have to locate the file and click on the open option. So you have to locate the file and select your workbook and then click on the open option. So from here you can select under which C drive or D drive. From this part you can select it, and when you click on it, all the files that you have saved will be displayed here. So you have to select, suppose this particular file you want to open, so click on this file and then your file will be displayed here, and then click on the open option. Once you click on the open option, then your file will be opened. So that is how you can open your existing workbook. Hope you have understood the lesson. We'll soon meet in our next session. Till then, take care. This is Yavji sir signing off. Thank you.